welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm finally gonna make this beautiful hijabi doll, and it was on your request. A lot of you guys wanted me to make this, so today I'm finally making this one over here. Before I start this video guys, I would like to say that I've already made this doll in one of my previous videos. So in this video I'm just gonna dress her up, so you can go and check that out. And if you want to see how I made this doll, so it's very easy, you can go and check that out. So let's start over here. I'll just take her hairs and make it into a bun. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take a silver silk fabric, and as you can see, I'll just fold it from the middle. Now I'll take my scissors and I'll cut this part out. Then this is the neckline. Okay, so now this is what I get right now, as you can see. Now I'll cut it from over here, just a slight little cut. So once that is done, I'll fold it upside down this way, and then over here, as you can see, I'll just cut it out from here. Okay, so this is the shape I get right now. As you can see, these two are different and this one is the main one. Now I'll also use the measurements of her hands and make the sleeves with the same fabric. I'll cut it from here. Okay, after cutting it, as you can see, this is the shape I get for the sleeves. Once I'm done doing that, what I'll do is that I'll take some glue, and it's fabric glue over here. You can also sew it, but over here I'll just take the glue and stick these two parts over the shoulders. Then these are the sleeves. So I make the most easiest dress possible for you guys so that you can try it yourself at home. So this is how the dress is gonna be over here. So once this is all nice and dry, what I'll do is that I'll turn it upside down and stick it again. So now as you can see, it's all nice and stuck. I'll just put the sleeves upside down. So this is the gown which she's gonna wear, and it's now ready. I'll just make her wear it. Now I'll stick it from the back side as well. Now I have got this beautiful mesh fabric, and it's basically very nicely embroidered. So now I'll just take my scissors and cut this part out. So this will be a top half of the doll dress. It's basically gonna cover the silk fabric so that it looks more elegant and heavy. I'll just make her wear it as a jacket. Now as you can see, I'll stick it over here. So now once it's stuck, I'll stick it from the back side as well. So after it's now done, completed, I'll take this black fabric and I'll put it on her head. So this will be the hijab cap, which basically the hijabi girls wear before wearing the hijab. So this is the color for my hijab. It's a very beautiful pastel pink color. So I'll just start sticking the hijab all over her head. So you can watch a tutorial on YouTube to see how you can actually fold this scarf. Alright, so you have to just keep on sticking it on each of the process so that it stays in its place. So guys, this is it. This is how my doll looks right now. It's finally ready. So guys, it was really easy to dress her up, and plus my doll is a movable foldable doll, so you can just go more easy with this tutorial. So guys, this is it. This is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.